Okay, so we all know hot girls have stomach problems, okay? I am one of those girlies. I'm not gonna lie. I got bloating issues. That's my issue. Green juice, love it. It helps me de-bloat, okay? But I am also one to self-diagnose, and I truly thought that I had a gluten intolerance, and I tried to cut out gluten. It lasted a good couple of days. It's really hard, but I was reached out by this company called Advanced Food Intolerance Labs. And before you click off, oh my God, they confirmed what I thought. So basically what you do, they send you a test and you cut like half an inch of 10 strands of hair from like the nape of your neck. So it's like that much hair, and the 10 strands is literally nothing. You're not gonna get a chunk of your hair, and you put it in an envelope and you send it out, and literally once they received it, I think in like 2-3 days after I sent it out, and then within like 72 hours they send you your results. I just got mine. Oh my. So okay, all the green dots, these are all foods that I can eat, like they're good for me, so I can eat. Everything says without gluten, so it's like buckwheat without gluten, flour without gluten. There's some stuff with gluten, like I can have rye with gluten, and then it has like the dairies and milks that you can have. It has dairy alternatives that are good for you, the fish and seafood that's good for you, the fruits that are good for you, the herbs and spices, the legumes, which is like beans and stuff, meats and eggs, nuts, oils and fats, seeds, sugars and miscellaneous, and vegetables. And not only does it show you like all the green ones, so these yellow ones, it shows you things that are like moderate, like it's like kind of inflammatory but not really inflammatory, you know, like you can have a little bit, you know, it's like, and it's all like the same categories too. And then it shows you the red, all the ones that are like bad. So basically it gets like the cells from your hair, and it like tests it with, I guess, like all the food cells or whatever, and whatever inflames the cells, that's what's inflaming your gut. Isn't that so cool? Dude, this is literally so sick. I have 40 intolerances, 23 neutral items, that's like the one that I said that's moderate, and 290 beneficial items. That is so sick. Oh my gosh. And it like tells you suggested nutrition, suggested lifestyle, suggested tests that you should follow up with. This is so sick.